There is a band in à l'horizon. This one, the good one. And the sky is clear also.
Where is Amélie?
Where is Amélie? Amélie is there, just behind us. They were ahead, now they're behind. Like now we're going for a transition with a left-hand shift, lighter wind. And it's quite hard to know whether to position the boat a little bit more to windward or a bit to leeward of the fleet. So we're trying to be conservative, we're not too aggressive in our positioning so as not to lose. Ça roule chez Biotherm. Ah, c'est virement du bord.
Okay, Alan?
Yeah, ready when you are.
It looks comfortable, the winch, your seat.
Very comfortable, but my seat is used by the English. During the Vendée, I had a cushion here, so it was very comfortable. But the cushion was too heavy for Frank, so the cushion is not on board anymore.
A big right here on Biotherm. They're just pulling the stick to try and get over the top of us.
Maybe try to do that.
Yeah. They're sailing faster and lower. They pass maybe 200 meters in front of us. But we're positioning ourselves a little bit to windward of them, tactically. It's cool, super close racing, and it's really cool to be so close to them. Because they're fast in these conditions, and they were fast in the first leg. But we're going to try and get ahead of them as well.
Who are you spying like that?
Spying on the competition to see if they're making any changes, because they're a little bit faster at the moment than us, and I don't trust it. But it seems that we have the same setup, both the J0 and a stay sail. And there we have our friends Malizia and Arkea Paprec. And we had this massive, I don't know why it was actually, but there was not really a cloud, but there was a big puff. So now we have 8 knots of breeze, and then there was 13, 14 knots of breeze, and we were flying 20 knots, and we passed Biotherm, and now they're passing us again. It's quite fun. I find it quite funny that Alan is here and his wife is on Biotherm, and sometimes it's just funny that you're always racing against each other, and sometimes they're texting, and then I'm wondering, like, maybe they're exchanging settings or so, you know.
Sam that says he loves me. I think they're laughing at us. Because I sent them a message when we overtook them, and I think they're taking the piss out of me.
Oh, really?
Oh, we're close to disaster.
Thank you.
there's just a fisher boat.
Yeah. Probably he's catching the fish, but he is the whale is grabbing the fish, but he's catching. And we should do that marine mammal thing. I have it on my iPhone.
You have to declare.
Yeah, I do it on my iPhone. Wow, that's special! I do the marine mammal now. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I It's so special to see a whale, no?
Rosie,
Yeah.
can you tell which one was it?
Yeah.
Biggest.
Yeah. I think I look on my video, but
It's very black.
because the fin was a bit like this, a bit more.
Like this.
Yeah, it looked more like this. But I'm first gonna put it on the app. Okay. Yeah, 70 feet. Yeah. Yeah, 70 feet.
70 feet, that's bigger than us.
Yeah, bigger than a boat for sure. It was massive. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it was a fin whale because here the sei whale is only 40 to 60 feet. No, for sure it was bigger. And this one blow 10 to 13 feet in height. And the fin whale asymmetrical head color, dark on the left side and the lower yaw. I think this is it. Okay, I'm gonna report this one. Fin whale.